victory fight si Ann Curtis na nanalo bilang Best Actress at si Philip Salvador na nagbuli naman ng Best Supporting Actor Award.
Ay, hindi ko ma-explain talaga yung whenever I look at the award, kikilig. Ano? Ako best friend ko ng actress. Talaga.
I'm so happy. So grateful to God. After 7 years, hindi ko alam kung nandun pa, meron pa. And ito, dumating na naman.
Sarap.
At saka first award ko to sa Metro Manila Film Festival. First time ako nanalo dito.
Marami raw pinaghahandugan ng kanyang panalo si Philip.
I share it with my wife, Emma, and I share it with all my children. And I share my award
Ayaw na?
with my best friends.
Ganyan naman siya dito ng
Si Bong Revilla, si Jinggoy Estrada, and